Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what this is some drill bits. So pretty much what this product is for is so that way you guys can actually use it to like drill holes, maybe even screw like metal if you guys do want to. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, inside they do provide you guys a little case. But once you guys take out the wrapper, inside they do give you guys a little case. But let's open up the case to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much for this set, they give you guys 5 different drill bits. So I mentioned the way how they designed this drill bit, it allows you guys to actually cut it through metal if you guys do want to. And also if you see the bottom, they do label each one, so that way you know which one is which. But let's take out each one to show you guys what it looks like first. So right here we do have the biggest one. And the way how they designed it, it should allow you guys to use it for any kind of drill. Next one that we got right here is slightly smaller. And next one that we got right here is the third one. And then after that one, here is basically what it looks like. And then here we have the smallest one. So depending on what you guys are planning to use it for, each one serves its own purpose. And I do have a cordless drill, so let me actually take it out to see what actually works. Alright, so the drill that I do have right here is from this brand. If you guys are interested, feel free to check it out. But all you need to do is just put it in and just screw it together to make sure it's tight. Alright, so we got it in. So when you guys actually use it, and see it definitely does work. So I don't have anything that's actually metal that I can just cut through. But just to show you guys how strong it is, let's try to drill through this box. Alright, so see how I barely put any effort into it and then it drilled a hole through the actual box. So if I keep going, you can definitely see how big of a hole it makes. So if you guys think about using something even more stronger like metal, then it definitely will work, but it probably will take some time for you guys to drill it. Because drilling through a box is so much easier than you guys drilling through metal, but when see the product definitely does work. And like I mentioned, for each one of these heads, it serves its own purpose. So depending on how many steps you guys need, that is how you guys determine which one to use. So if you guys are working in construction or something and you guys have to cut through like metal, that is basically where these actually comes in handy. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this drill bit set, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys work in construction or if you guys need to drill through like metal, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.